Hey, welcome to my new video. This video is especially for those students who want to listen English and try to speak English. And I hope you will listen very carefully. Nurturing a brighter future, a guide to personal growth and development. Introduction. The desire to create a better future is a universal aspiration shared by individuals worldwide. Building a brighter future involves personal growth, the pursuit of goals, and contributing to a positive society. In this essay, we will explore the essential steps and principles to help individuals become the architects of a better future for themselves and those around them. 1. Self-awareness. The journey towards a better future begins with self-awareness. Understand your strengths, weaknesses, values, and passions. Self-awareness enables you to make informed decisions aligned with your true self. 2. Goal setting. Clearly defined goals act as roadmaps for personal growth. Set both short-term and long-term goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Smart. These goals help you stay focused and motivated. 3. Lifelong learning. Embrace the concept of lifelong learning. Continuously expand your knowledge and skills through reading, courses, workshops, and self-improvement efforts. Stay curious and open to new experiences. 4. Resilience. Develop resilience to bounce back from setbacks and failures. Challenges are part of life, and how you handle them determines your growth. Learn from adversity and become more resilient with each experience. 5. Health and well-being. Invest in your physical and mental health. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and mindfulness practices contribute to well-being. A healthy body and mind are essential for pursuing your dreams. 6. Financial literacy. Understand financial concepts and manage your finances wisely. Save, invest, and plan for the future to secure your financial well-being. 7. Time management. Effective time management is essential. Prioritize tasks, set boundaries, and allocate time to activities that align with your goals. Avoid time-wasting habits and distractions. 8. Network and relationships. Build a strong network of meaningful relationships. Surround yourself with people who support your growth, offer mentorship, and inspire you to be better. 9. Emotional intelligence. Develop emotional intelligence to understand and manage your emotions effectively. It also involves empathizing with others and maintaining healthy relationships. 10. Positive mindset. Maintain a positive mindset. Cultivate optimism, gratitude, and a can-do attitude. Your perspective greatly influences your actions and outcomes. 11. Contribution and service. Make a positive impact on your community and the world. Engage in volunteer work, charitable activities, or initiatives that align with your values. 12. Environmental responsibility. Be conscious of your environmental impact. Reduce waste, conserve resources, and support eco-friendly practices to contribute to a sustainable future. 13. Adaptability. Embrace change and adaptability. The world is in constant flux, and your ability to adjust to new circumstances is crucial for your personal and professional growth. 14. Set high ethical standards. Maintain high ethical standards and integrity in all your actions. Building a better future involves contributing positively to society and upholding moral values. 15. Continuous reflection. Regularly reflect on your progress. Celebrate your achievements, learn from your mistakes, and adjust your course as necessary. 16. Vision and purpose. A brighter future requires a clear vision and purpose. Know what you want to achieve and why it matters to you. Your vision will guide your actions. Conclusion. Creating a better future is a journey of personal growth, development, and positive contributions to society. It involves self-awareness, goal setting, resilience, lifelong learning, and maintaining health and well-being. Building a brighter future also includes managing time effectively, nurturing relationships, embracing change, and adhering to high ethical standards. By following these principles and continually reflecting on your progress, you can become an active participant in the shaping of a brighter future, not only for yourself but for the world at large. Thanks for watching this video. And I hope you have learned something new to this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and activate the bell so do not miss upcoming important videos.